We'll go for next problem. So what is next problem? See it here. Next problem is 7th question. We'll see it in the textbook. 7th question. Okay, what they given here? Show that A1 comma A2 comma etc. AN form an AP where AN is defined as below. Also find the sum of the first 15 terms in each case. So AN formula they given. What you have to do? You have to find a sum of 15 terms in each case. So this is the problem. How we have to solve, we'll see in this session. Okay. When AN is given, how to find the progression first. So AN is equals to 3 plus 4n. AN is equals to 3 plus 4n is given. Now I want AN means nth term. AN means here nth term. Okay. Nth term is given. I want first term means A1. In place of n, what I wrote here 1 means in right hand side also wherever n is there I have to write 1. 3 plus 4 into 1 is 4. 3 plus 4 is 7. It is A1. I want A2. In AN, in place of n, 2 is there here. Right hand side also, wherever n is there you have to write 2. So it becomes 3 plus 8 and it becomes 11. It is A2. Next, if I want A3, right side, in place of n, I have to write 3. So you are getting 15. So A1, A2, A3, like this you got it. So if you make these as progression, it becomes 7, 11, 15, etc. So this becomes one arithmetic progression. Next, what he is asking here, you have to find sum of first 15 terms in each case. You have to find sum of 15 terms. S15 you have to find it. So what is the formula for Sn? N by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d is the formula. Sen, in place of n 15 is there. Here also in place of n 15 you can write it. 2a means 2 into a. What is a here? First term in the progression, 7. N means you have to write 15 only, minus 1 into d means 11 minus 7. How much you are getting? 11 minus 7. It is 4. 15 minus 11. 4 only. So D is 4. Now 15 by 2 as it is. 2 sevens are how much here? 14. 15 minus 1 is 14 into 4. 4 4 is 16, 6 1. 4 plus 1 is 5, 56. So 15 by 2, okay. 56 plus 14 gives 70. 2 ones are 2 35s. So you are getting 35 into 15. 5 5 is 25, 5 2, 5 5 3 is 15, 17, 35 and 5, 12, 2, 1, 5, 525 got it. What is this 525? Sum of 15 terms in this progression. Okay. Like this you have to do this problem, and 8th question same like this you can solve. Okay. 9th, find the sum of first 40 positive integers divisible by 6. Just now I said same like that. So 10th question. So 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, these all are very very important sums. So as it is a session, I can't explain all the problems here. So some which are important I am saying to you, and because of response is not there, I am not saying all the problems. Okay. Now I feel that 10th problem is somewhat important, and I will read this question. Just listen. A sum of 700 rupees is to be used to give 7 cash prizes to students of a school for their overall academic performance. If each prize is 20 rupees less than its preceding prize, find the value of each of the prizes. Okay. See here, A sum of 700 rupees is to be used to give 7 cash prizes to students of a school for their overall academic performance. Okay, see, one school is there. Okay, I don't want to say any name. So their management, what they said is, I am giving 700 rupees to you. You have to bring prizes, and how many prizes they want to give? Only 7 prizes they have to give. 7 cash prizes only, not cash only, not any article or something. And for first prize and second prize, there should be a difference of 20 rupees. For second prize to third prize, there should be a difference of 20 rupees. Like that. So 20 decrease or increase should be there. So always you know that first prize means it will be more money. It will have more money. Okay. Second prize 20 rupees less than the cost of first prize. Third prize 20 rupees less than the cost of second prize. Like that 20 rupees has to be go on decreasing. Okay. Now what he is asking, if each price is 20 rupees less than its preceding price, find the value of each of the prizes. So you have to find the value of first prize, value of second prize, like that. Okay. So I hope that you understood the question. Now we will go to the problem. Okay. So the question is, A value we don't know. Okay, but D value we know. D is 20. A plus 20, A plus again 20 rupees you have to add. Okay. Otherwise, if you want to do subtraction, you can do subtraction also. A is the greatest one. From that you have to subtract 20. A minus 40, like etc. A minus 40, A minus 60, etc. So this will be first prize, second prize, third prize, fourth prize, like this. Some you can do. See, A plus 20, A plus 40 also you can do it. But A means it won't become first prize. It becomes last prize. Okay. If you keep here plus, A becomes last prize. If you keep minus, A becomes first prize. That's it. With minus I can say the problem. With plus also I can say the problem. So being I want to make A as a first prize, so I took A and minus 20. From this 20 I subtracted for second prize, 40 I subtracted for third prize, like that. Go on, I deducted 20 rupees, like that. So how many means last one? See, 7 prizes only should be there or not? A7 is the last prize. Okay, that is A plus 7 minus 1 into D, means A plus 6D. What is the value of D here? D means minus 20 or plus 20? Minus 20 only. 6 into minus 20. A minus 120. So like this, A minus 60, like this if you go, A minus 120 gives a 7th prize money. We don't know the value of A. Still we don't know the value of A. See here, A is the cost of first prize. A minus 20 is the cost of second prize. A minus 40 is the cost of third prize, like that. A minus 120 is the cost of last prize. Okay. Now sum of 7 terms, because management how much money they given for them to purchase the prizes means they given 700 rupees. S7 is equal to 700, we know it. What is the formula for S7? 7 by 2 into A plus AN. You can write A plus AN or no directly, because you know first term, you can you know last term. So 7 by 2, okay. A means A only. AN means A minus 120 is equals to 700. Now 7 by 2 take to this side. A plus A is 2A. 2A minus 120 is equals to 700 into 2 by 7. 100 times will go. 2A is equals to, here 200 minus 120 will go to this side, means plus 120. 2A is equals to 320. A is equals to 320 by 2. Means A is equal to how much you got here? 160 rupees you got it. Means cost of first prize is 160 rupees. Then cost of second prize. From this 160 you have to subtract 20. Already they said that difference between successive prices should be 20. So for second price cost should be 140 only or not? Third price cost 20 decrease it 120. Fourth 100. Fifth 80. Sixth 60. 40. That's it. Because total how many prices are there? 7 only. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now if you add how much you will get, see it. All zeros only, I can give 0 here. 4 plus 6, 10. 10 plus 8, 18. 20, 24, 30. So 0, 3 carry. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So how much you got here? 700 rupees. 700 rupees only given. First price worth is 160. Last price worth is 40 rupees. What he asked is, you have to find all the costs of prices, he said or not. So I done directly here. I done directly. But what you have to do is, A2 is equals to A minus D. Okay. A minus D means, you can write 160 minus 20 like that. You can go on writing. So A1, A2, A3 like this you will get it. You have to find all the terms. I hope that you understood this question. Next I will go for last question, that is fourth question. Okay. So here one in a bucket and ball race. So maybe you are seeing Big Boss or something like that. Some games so which they won't have any meaning. They will conduct it, but it is having meaning. Okay. So try to understand this one. In a bucket and ball race, a bucket is placed at the starting point, which is 5 meters from the first ball, and the other balls are placed 3 meters apart in a straight line. There are 10 balls in the line. Okay. A competitor starts from the bucket, picks up the nearest ball, runs back with it, drops it in the bucket, runs back to pick up the next ball, runs to the bucket to drop it in, and she continues in the same way until all the balls are in the bucket. What is the total distance the competitor has to run? Okay, so this is the question. They given perfectly. Being we are English medium students, you have to understand it. So question you have to see perfectly. You have to start. This girl is standing near the bucket first. Bucket is empty and first ball is at 5 meters distance. So to pick first ball, she has to run 5 meters forward. To drop that ball in the bucket, she has to travel again 5 meters backwards. She dropped that. Means to keep one ball, first ball, inside the bucket, she has to travel 5 plus 5. Means total how much distance? 10 meters distance she has to travel. Then next, to drop second ball. To drop second ball, this 5 meters plus 3 meters. Means in forward direction, she has to travel 8 meters. In backward direction also, she has to travel 8 meters only. Next again, she has to, already she dropped second ball also inside the bucket. To pick up the third ball, she has to travel 5 plus 3 plus 3 means 11 meters. She has to travel forward direction, 11 meters in the backward direction. Go on. How many balls are there already he given here? Okay, which is 5 meters from the ball, and there are 10 balls. So here 10 balls are there. It is first ball, second ball, third ball, like that 10 balls. Okay. Now see it. 5 plus 5 is what? 10. 8 plus 8 is how much? 16. 11 plus 11 is 22, etc. So 16 minus 10 is 6. 22 minus 16 is 6. Means it is in AP only or not? It is in AP. Number of terms are 10 only. A first term is 10. Common difference is 6. Very good. 6. So n value you know, A value you know, D value you know. What you have to find? Sum of n terms. SN. Means n is 10 or not? Sum of 10 terms. Sum of 10 terms formula is 10 by 2 into to A means here 10 again, n minus 1, 10 minus 1, D is nothing but 6. Now 10 by 2 is 5, 20, 10 minus 2 is 9, 9 6 is 54. So 5 into 20 plus 54 is 74. So 74 into 5, if you do multiplication, 5 4 is 20, 0 2, 5 7 35 plus 2 37. So you are getting 370. So 370 meters she has to run to keep all the 10 balls inside the bucket.